Class 10th application of trigonometry exercise 9.1. The question is, a circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Let's understand this question with the help of the figure. Well, here BC represents ground and AB represents the pole. Now this A represents the top of the pole and C represents the circus artist. Now a rope is tied from top of the pole to the ground, that is point C. So this 20-meter length is of the rope. We want to find the height of this pole AB, and we are given that this angle of elevation is 30 degree. So basically we have a right angle triangle because pole is always perpendicular to the ground. Then because angle B is 90 degree, AC will be the hypotenuse. So here what is hint is, you have hypotenuse and you want to find the opposite side of 30 degrees. So this is your hint. What ratio involves opposite side and hypotenuse? Well, if you can answer this hint, then you can easily find the answer to this question. So let us solve this now. So the first thing is, there is AB represents the height of the pole. So in triangle ABC, if you apply sine 30, it will be opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, right? So let's substitute the values. It will be sine 30 is 1 by 2 and AC is 20. Now the only thing that we need to do is simplify. So AB will be 20 upon 2, which is 10, and therefore we can say that height of the pole is 10 meters. So I hope students you have very well understood this question. Let's meet in the next video to solve question number 2.